My name is Dhruvant. I am studying in UKG. My name is Shasha. I am Miss UKG.
Jnanapita Award winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka. Kuvempu, Nagabendre, Shivaram Karnat, Marchi Venkatesha Iyengar, G.K. Gokar, U.R. Anantamurthy, Girish Karnat, Chandrasekhar Kamraj.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India. Bharatanatyam Tamil Nadu, Kathakali Kerala, Kathak Uttar Pradesh, Manipur, Kuchipudi Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Satraya Assam, Matti dance Madhya Pradesh, Gandhiya Gujarat, Ekshagana Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Prayas, Tamiravadini, Vagan, Yamuna.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Indian festival.
Indian festivals: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar month: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jaisra, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwayuja, Kartika, Margashira, Pusha, Magha, Falguna.
Name of Rutus.
Name of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Shishira Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu. Of Karnataka: Kulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Krishnavardhana, Vainavarma, Amogha Varsha, Madakari Nayaka, Hitunani Chanamma, Akka Bukka, Jai Chamaraj Wadiyar, Kempegowda.
District in Karnataka.
District in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belgavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikmagaluru, Chikballapura, Chitradurga, Dakshiಣ Kannada, Davanagere, Dharwad, Gadag, Assam, Haberi, Kalaburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppala, Mandya, Mysore, Ramanagara, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttar Kannada, Bijapura, Yadgiri.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru, Nalanda, Rajbhasu Shashi, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Ishwara Pradashim, Chandrasekhar, TV Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Devegowda, Indira Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsism.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda Veda.
Dasavataram Lord Vishnu.
Dasavatara Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Purva, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama.